Okay, guys, let's sneak around the desk and ask what the guys are doing. It's a very busy day, so we won't have time to do many interviews because especially the developers have to get the codes ready for tonight. But yeah, just 10 seconds with each of them. Max,
Yep,
what are you doing?
I'm working on the product website for the, well actually we both are, we're doing two different designs and then we choose the better one or the one that people like most.
We're thinking about putting it, allowing the people on, we haven't quite decided if we're gonna let the people on Twitter decide.
There's a website, I think Simple Bits made it, it's called Straw Poll, where you have two options and people, by sending a tweet with a number, 1 or 2, to the, well, to Command Guru, we get the votes.
Yeah. Is this going to be just one page?
Yes, I mean, there's
Yeah.
really, like most of the iPhone app pages are just one product page and that's it.
And what else, Eddie? Is there anything else to do design-wise?
I mean, we're still not happy with the application icon. I mean,
Okay.
we have a couple of options and we have 1 or 2 that, like, if we have to, maybe, but we don't really like any of them. But 1 week, you know, I mean, who knows? So hopefully some spark.
So you'll be
Okay.
thinking about it until the very last, right?
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So let's move to the developers' desks and see what they are doing. Aaron?
I'm dealing with the question of nulls when they come back from the data. So nulls mean there's nothing. And sometimes you need to shove it into a number or something. And so we're dealing with that.
Okay, cool.
Good.
Jim?
Hi. So I'm working on a query that's going to tell the user the important things that they want to know about an event. So it's it's where it is and what its name is, but also how many of their friends are coming, how many people are coming total, and whether they've decided to attend or not, and also the keywords for the event. So it's a party or it's a meeting or.
So this is all on the server side, right?
Right, and so we want it so that the iPhone can basically just ask one question about an event and get all that information back in one piece.
Cool.
I'm in the middle of something.
John?
How you doing?
With this inspiring t-shirt.
That's right.
How goes?
It's going okay. I'm right now getting to, I think, starting to get to a good point with the ability to add emails to that aren't on the system into a list and all. Aaron had caught me yesterday basically went talked to the designers and ended up not having to do that advanced sort of mail type thing.
Okay.
So I'm getting to do something much simpler, and I'm just implementing that.
Good. Good. Matteo?
I'm just doing some refinements to the map view. Yesterday there was some bugs, so I'm going to to fix them.
Emanuele?
Well, this morning I finished that image upload stuff I was working on last night that was driving me mad, and it's working pretty nicely. Whoop. And now I'm helping people doing some clerical stuff like these little lists here for choosing whether an event is private or public, or you can bring your own friends.
We're both doing work on the event details view, right? So I'm currently working on adding image upload functionality.
So let's leave them to work and catch up with you later, guys.